Becoming Dinah, written by Kit DeWall and published by Orion, is shortlisted in our older readers category.
Hello, I'm Kit DeVar and I'm the author of Becoming Dinah, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be shortlisted for this very special prize. Any prize that puts children at the heart of decision making and at the heart of their own agency is absolutely fabulous. So I'm really thrilled. It's a very special award for any author. I'd like to talk about the book a little bit. So Dinah is a young woman, or she's a girl in that funny time between being a girl and a woman. And she's decided to take a really drastic step and run away from home. And it's not for good reasons. And along the way, she meets people that will tell her something about herself. I hope you love it if you've read it. And if you haven't read it, I hope you do read it and enjoy and find something out about yourself on that journey. And thank you to the Federation for shortlisting me for this award, my first YA book. I'm absolutely thrilled and delighted. Thank you again.
I thought this was a great book if you're someone who's had an identity crisis and is trying to find himself. It was an enjoyable book at the end.
I liked this book because it felt like the message was how much trouble people go through to find their own identity in the world.
I like the theme of exploring yourself, expressing yourself, doing things outside of your comfort zone, things that might scare you. I just think it's a good lesson that people should learn.
Every author and illustrator on the shortlist receives a personalised album of responses by children to the book. If you have loved this book, then why not draw a picture or write something about it and send it to us. All the details are on our website, fcbg.org.uk. And don't forget to tune in for our ceremony at 2 p.m. on Saturday the 10th of October to find out who won. Don't worry if you miss it. It'll be available to watch on our website afterwards.